Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Today we are talking about the Nnamdi Kanu case, the recent headlines claiming that the Supreme Court has handed him a total victory and what is really happening behind the story. Make sure you like this video and subscribe because we are going to break everything down clearly for you. Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB. This group has been calling for the independence of southeastern Nigeria as Biafra. The history behind this is very important. It goes back to the Nigerian Civil War from 1967 to 1970, a time of serious conflict and hardship. Millions of people suffered, and the events of that period still influence politics in Nigeria today. Kanu became the face of the renewed Biafra movement, and his legal battles have drawn attention from across Nigeria and the international community. Make sure you like this video and subscribe because the story has many layers. Kanu was first arrested in 2015. While on bail, he fled Nigeria in 2017, going into exile. In 2021, he was brought back from Kenya to Nigeria under controversial circumstances. Many people questioned the legality of this transfer, and the Kenyan courts ruled that his rights had been violated. Since then, Kanu has faced several legal proceedings in Nigeria, including terrorism-related charges. The case has been highly publicized, and each development has sparked debate and controversy. Remember to like this video and subscribe so you are following the story correctly. In late 2025, a Nigerian court convicted Kanu on terrorism-related charges and sentenced him to life imprisonment. This decision marked a major turning point and caused strong reactions among his supporters and communities in southeastern Nigeria. Headlines appeared suggesting that the Supreme Court had given him a total victory, but it is important to understand that these claims are not verified. There has been no official Supreme Court decision publicly releasing Kanu or overturning all his convictions. The ongoing legal battles continue and the case remains complex. Like this video and subscribe as we continue breaking down the facts. The story has remained in the public eye because of multiple factors. First, the legal process is still ongoing. Kanu has appealed and his legal team continues to challenge various aspects of his case. Second, public interest remains high. Protests, discussions, and debates continue, particularly in regions most affected by the Biafra movement. Third, political and ethnic tensions add to the significance of the case. The detention of Kanu has become more than a legal matter. It now represents a broader conversation about identity, governance, and rights in Nigeria. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. To fully understand this story, we need to consider the history of Biafra and the impact of the Civil War. The Biafra movement arose from perceived inequalities and marginalization in Nigeria. The war caused significant loss of life, and the memories of this period still influence politics and social relations today. Kanu's leadership taps into these historical grievances, which is why his case resonates so strongly with many people. Remember to like this video and subscribe for accurate updates. Social media has played a major role in shaping perceptions of this case. Many headlines exaggerate events, making it seem like the Supreme Court has made a sweeping decision in Kanu's favor. In reality, verified reports show that the court has not granted him total victory. It is important for viewers to be aware of misinformation and to rely on trusted sources for updates. Like this video and subscribe to make sure you get accurate information. International attention also plays a role. Human rights organizations, diaspora communities, and advocacy groups have expressed concern about Kanu's treatment and the fairness of his trial. This has contributed to the perception that foreign powers are intervening, but most of this attention comes from civil society and advocacy groups rather than official government action. This distinction is critical for understanding the story. Make sure you like this video and subscribe as we discuss these developments. Locally, communities in southeastern Nigeria have reacted strongly to Kanu's detention. Supporters continue to hold protests, organize vigils, and discuss the case in town halls and community meetings. Youth groups are highly active, while elders and traditional authorities often call for calm and peaceful resolution. The Nigerian government is tasked with balancing security, law enforcement, and public sentiment, which makes this case sensitive and complex. Remember to like this video and subscribe. The legal implications of Kanu's case are significant. It raises questions about the balance between national security, the right to protest, and individual freedoms. It also highlights the challenges of the Nigerian judicial system and its ability to handle politically sensitive cases fairly. Understanding these issues is important not only for Nigerians, but also for viewers interested in how law and politics intersect in Africa. Like this video and subscribe to stay informed. The political dimension of the case is equally important. Kanu's case intersects with elections, ethnic relations, regional autonomy, and the influence of diaspora communities. These factors make it more than just a legal issue. It is a social and political story with implications for governance and national unity. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Reflecting on the social impact, the case has sparked debates on freedom of speech, civil liberties, and government accountability. It has also highlighted the role of youth activism and community organizing in shaping political discourse. The responses from communities, social media, and international groups demonstrate how a single legal case can have wide-reaching effects on society. Remember to like this video and subscribe. The Supreme Court itself remains a key player in this story. While no sweeping victory has been granted to Kanu, the court's involvement ensures that the legal process continues and that appeals and challenges are properly considered. This demonstrates the importance of judicial oversight in politically sensitive cases. Like this video and subscribe for ongoing updates. It is essential to understand the difference between verified legal outcomes and sensational headlines. Many online sources have claimed Kanu has been granted a total victory, but these claims lack evidence from official court records. Audience, always check reliable sources and be critical of exaggerated headlines. Remember to like this video and subscribe to stay informed with accurate news. The case also serves as a lesson in historical awareness. The legacy of the Biafra movement and the Civil War is not just a matter of the past. It continues to influence contemporary politics and social relations in Nigeria. Kanu's leadership highlights the enduring nature of these historical grievances. Like this video and subscribe. Looking ahead, there are multiple possible outcomes. The appeals process may continue, the legal challenges may be resolved, or political negotiations may take place behind the scenes. Each scenario carries implications for Nigeria's political stability, community relations, and international perception. Audience, like this video and subscribe as we follow this story closely. The importance of community engagement cannot be overstated. Communities in the Southeast, civil society groups, and diaspora organizations all influence the narrative and contribute to public debate. By understanding their perspectives, viewers gain a clearer picture of why Kanu's case has become so significant. Remember to like this video and subscribe. Social media, international attention, and local reactions all intersect to shape public perception. The way the story is reported affects how people interpret the case and its implications. Educated viewers who critically evaluate news sources are better equipped to understand the real developments. Like this video and subscribe to remain well informed. In summary, the Nnamdi Kanu case is multi-layered, involving legal proceedings, political and ethnic tensions, historical grievances, social movements, and international attention. Headlines can be misleading, so it is crucial to focus on verified information. Audience, like this video, subscribe, and engage respectfully in the comments. This ongoing story will continue to develop over time. Court rulings, appeals, community actions, and political responses will all play a role in shaping the outcome. By staying informed and critically evaluating updates, viewers can understand the broader significance of the case. Remember to like this video and subscribe. Finally, the story demonstrates the importance of history, law, politics, and civil engagement. The Nnamdi Kanu case is not just about one individual. It reflects national debates, community identities, and the role of law in society. Stay attentive, share your thoughts respectfully, like this video, and subscribe to stay connected with real updates.